Today I'm going to show you denture care, or at least break it down for you, okay? So I have my students, I'm going to move this over here so you can see. I have my students set up the table so that there is the side that's for mouth care. You can see that? Yeah, mouth care. This side right here is for mouth care. And then this side over here is the denture care section. So we're going to start by, okay, you would have done your opening. You would have told Miss Jones that you'll be back to do mouth care. Gather up all your supplies, wash your hands, gather up all your supplies, and then here we are over here at the sink. All right, so I am going to, first thing is I'm going to use a paper towel to turn on the sink. This is what I teach everybody to do, and this is what I would suggest that you do in your own practice. Because you know there's germs on the sink when you're touching it. I'm gonna put some paper towels down here in the bottom of the sink so that in case my dentures fall, I have something for them to land on, so hopefully they won't break, because dentures are super expensive and we do not want to break them. All right, I'm also going to check the temperature of the water to make sure that it is tepid, not warm, not hot, not cold, tepid, which is like room temperature. And then over here on my table, I'm gonna go ahead and put toothpaste. All right, toothpaste on my toothbrush. All right, and I'm gonna set that down. And then I'm going to get the cup for the resident. All right, and I'm gonna set that. So now everything is all ready. So that when I start, I don't have to really be touching anything except for just to get ready to brush the dentures. Okay, so I'll put this back over here and put my gloves on. I'm going to take this lid off and rinse it top and bottom. We're going to take our dentures out and dump this cup and rinse it top and bottom and fill it up about halfway. Then we're gonna pick our toothbrush up that we've already got toothpaste on, and then it's already ready to brush, right? We're already ready. So then we just brush all surfaces, all around, and the roof. And then we're gonna flip it over and get the part where it's up against them. All right, got it all, really good. Brush and brush, brush, brush. All right, this, I would just throw this into the trash can, and then we're gonna rinse this off. All right. And then now that they're clean, we're just gonna put them into the cup that we just, that we put the water into. And then we'll put the lid on it. Put the lid on it. Get a paper towel and dry them off, because it's all wet and you don't want to put them up when they're wet. All right, paper towel, turn the faucets off. Go ahead and get the paper towel from out of the sink. All right, and we're all done with that. So now I'm going to take off my gloves properly, which is grabbing up here, pulling off, and then underneath this one so that I don't contaminate myself, right? Wash my hands, and then now we're gonna go over here and go brush Sally's mouth. So, all right, here I am, and I'm gonna say, hi, Mrs. Jones, it's Courtney. I'm here to do your mouth care now that I've already cleaned your dentures. Is that okay? Let me make sure that your privacy curtain is pulled. I'm gonna wash my hands, put on new gloves. Okay. For the test, you would actually put, you'll get your toothette and you'll dunk this in the cup of water, right? You're gonna dunk it into the cup of water. Make sure there's not a lot of excess water, and put a drop of toothpaste on it. So the part of this will actually be played by, another person, not a mannequin. Okay, so I've got that on. she's ready for that. I'm gonna put this across her chest. Is that okay, Mrs. Jones? Okay. And then I'm going to, okay, Mrs. Jones, I'm gonna clean out your mouth, roof, all your gum line, all around, your cheeks, your tongue, right? Okay. Get a little drink, and then she spits it out, right? Get another drink, and she spits it out. Okay, Mrs. Jones, does that feel nice? What if I'm gonna wipe your mouth off? You wanna take this towel off of you. Mrs. Jones, I'm gonna go clean up, and then I'll come back and make you comfortable. So whenever you get done, you're going to go empty, rinse this and dry it, okay? And then you're just gonna dump out, like this is gonna be trash. This cup of water is gonna be trash. The tooth, that's gonna be trash. There's just some things you can throw away. You're gonna put the dentures back wherever you got them from. So if they're in her bedside table, then you're gonna put them right back in her bedside table because now they're nice and dry, okay? Take your gloves off, of course, and wash your hands and go do the cleanup. So I hope that is helpful. I will, if you have any questions, just ask and I'll answer them. Thanks, bye.